Hey you guys, so I have a grocery haul for you, and obviously Trader Joe's. I just have 2 bags, but I will show you what's inside. I don't know why I did that.
Few inches later.
Okay, so this is a small grocery haul, as you can tell. It was just because we already went grocery shopping, so this is just like last minute, you know, things. So I'm gonna show you what we got. Okay, so the very first thing I'm gonna show you is the Mexican style roasted corn by Trader Joe's, and this is so good. It is 7 points for a serving. The reason why I wanted to get this with some avocados is because I'm actually going to stuff the avocados with this stuff and then drizzle it with some hot sauce. Oh my gosh, so good. You guys have to try it. This is a vegetable fried rice. I love to get this from Trader Joe's. If you watch my hauls, then you obviously know I always get these two. The vegetable fried rice, you would think I'd have it memorized by now, how many points. But let's scan that for you guys on the Weight Watcher app. And that is 6 points for 1 1/4 cup. And then the orange chicken, I believe this is 9 points. Their orange chicken, so much flavor. I love it so much. And it is 9 points for 1 cup. Next, I got some Wine Country chicken salad. This is with white chicken meat, cranberries, and pecans. Do you guys say pecans or pecans? What do you guys say? Or pecans? Wait, did I say that? But this is so good. I like to put it in between sandwich bread or just put it on top of lettuce and have a chicken salad. But it is delicious. This is actually, it's 12 points for half a cup. They do have one that's less points, but once in a while I like to get this one because this is my favorite. So good. And then got some almond milk. Always gotta have some almond milk in this house for cereal. I usually get the unsweetened one, but they didn't have any more, so this one will do. And this one scans. And this one is 3 points for 1 cup. Then we got some chicken breast. Gotta have that in the house. Chicken cilantro mini wontons. My favorite. I love it in miso soup. I love it just as is or mixed in cauliflower rice. There's so many different things you can make with this chicken cilantro mini wontons, and the points are amazing for this because, as you can see, it is 1 point for 4 pieces. So good, love it. Then we got some chicken sausage, and this is spicy jalapeno. It's got jalapeno peppers for spice with roasted red peppers for richness. I like to have this alone, or I like to have it cut up in scrambled eggs for breakfast, or just like a hot dog, or just chopped up in some spaghetti. There's so many different things you could do with this as well, and that's why I always get 2 instead of just 1, because I go through it very quickly, and it's 3 points per link. Then I got just a head of lettuce, so like I said, with my chicken salad, I could just add this on top of it. And then got bananas and apples. So yeah, this was my really small haul with just some things that I wanted from Trader Joe's, and I hope you guys enjoyed the small haul. Next time we'll have a bigger haul. I'm thinking Walmart. I haven't been there in a while for groceries, so that's probably gonna be my next one. But I will talk to you guys soon, and thanks for watching. Bye.